Welcome back, everyone. I'm Anna, and this is Leo and Anna English.
And I'm Leo. We are so happy you're here today.
Today's topic is perfect for beginners.
Yes, we're talking about small talk.
How to start a conversation in English,
How to make a new friend.
even when you feel nervous.
Okay, Anna, let's start with a little game.
Oh, I love games. What is it?
Imagine this. It's Saturday morning. You're at a coffee shop. You have a nice cup of coffee.
Sounds good already.
And then a stranger sits next to you. They look friendly. They smile at you.
Oh, okay. Do I say something or just smile back?
That's the big question, right?
I think I just look at my phone.
Hannah.
I know, but it feels so awkward.
Most people feel the same way. That's exactly why we're here today.
Good, because I really need help.
Okay, so first, what do you say? The easiest thing is just hi.
That's it?
That's it, just hi.
I can do that.
And then you add one small question. Something easy, something friendly.
Like what?
Like, is this seat taken?
Oh, that's a great one.
Or is the coffee good here?
I love that. It's natural.
It gives the other person something to answer.
So they don't just say hi and look away.
Exactly. You give them a door to open.
A door to open. I like that.
Hey, a door to open. That's a nice phrase. It means you give someone a chance to talk.
You make it easy for them to respond.
Right. Try it, everyone. A door to open.
Okay, but Leo, I have a question.
Sure.
What if they answer and then silence?
Ah, the silent moment.
Yes, that's the worst part for me.
I know, it's uncomfortable.
Like you can hear your own heart.
I know, I've been there. Okay, here's what you do. You use a follow-up question.
A follow-up question.
Yes, you keep the conversation going. For example, they say, "Yes, the coffee is great here." You say, "Oh, nice. Do you come here often?"
Ah, okay, so you build on what they said.
Exactly. You listen and you connect.
That sounds easier than I thought.
It is. Once you start,
Okay, Leo, can we practice?
yes, let's do a role play.
Oh, I'm excited. Let's go.
Okay, I'm the stranger at the coffee shop. And Anna, you start.
Me? I have to go first?
You have to go first.
Okay. Deep breath. Hi. Is this seat taken?
Oh, no, please sit down.
Thank you. The coffee smells amazing.
Right? This place has the best coffee in town.
Oh, nice. Do you come here often?
Yeah, almost every weekend. It's my little escape.
I understand that. I need my coffee escape too.
Perfect, Anna. That was great.
Really? I didn't freeze?
You didn't freeze. You were natural.
Okay, I'm a little proud of myself right now.
You should be. And did you hear what happened? Anna used, "Is this seat taken?" Then she built on what I said.
And it felt like a real conversation.
Because it was a real conversation.
I think the secret is just asking questions.
Yes, people love to talk about themselves. Give them a question and they will answer.
And then you listen and ask more.
Simple, right?
Simple, but not always easy.
True. Let's talk about that.
Okay,
Sometimes people ask, "How are you?" And then they wait for a long answer.
oh, I know this problem.
In English, "How are you?" is often just a greeting.
Not a real question.
Right. The answer is usually, "Good, thanks. You?"
Very short, very easy.
Exactly. Don't panic and tell them your whole life story.
I did that once at the gym.
What happened?
Someone said, "How are you?" And I said, "Well, I'm a little tired today because I didn't sleep well and my cat was sick and also I forgot my water bottle."
Oh no, Anna.
I know, the poor man just wanted to say hi.
Okay, so lesson number 1. How are you means hello.
Answer short. Good, thanks. You?
And then you can add a little more.
Like, good, thanks. Beautiful weather today, right?
Perfect. That's a great opener.
Weather is always safe to talk about.
Always. Weather, the place you're in, food.
Safe topics. No politics, no drama.
Like maybe after your best friends.
Exactly. Okay, so we have openers and follow-up questions. But Leo, what about topics?
Great question. What do you talk about after hello?
Because sometimes I run out of things to say.
Yeah, that happens to everyone.
Even to you?
Even to me. Last month, actually. I was at a work event, and I was talking to someone new.
Okay.
We talked about the weather, then we talked about the food at the event, and then nothing.
The silent moment.
The silent moment. It was so uncomfortable.
So, what did you do?
I asked about them. I said, "So, what do you do for work?"
Oh, that's a classic.
It works every time. People always have something to say about their job.
Or they complain about it.
Yes, that too. Very useful.
Okay, so good topics for small talk: weather, food, work, anything else?
Hobbies. What do you do for fun?
Oh, I love that question. It's positive.
It makes people think about happy things.
And you learn a lot about a person.
Exactly. If they say, "I love hiking," you say, "Oh, cool. Where do you usually go?"
And the conversation just keeps going.
Like a ball rolling down a hill.
Ooh, or like you start the engine and then the car just drives itself.
I like yours better.
Thank you.
I want to add one more tip.
What's that?
When someone answers your question, say something about yourself too.
Ah, not just questions all the time.
Exactly. Share a little.
Like a little trade.
Yes, I love hiking too. I went to Bavi Mountain last weekend.
So they learn something about you.
And they feel more comfortable.
Because you're sharing, not just asking.
Right, it becomes a real exchange.
Not just an interview.
Yes, don't interview people.
I think I've done that before.
We all have.
Okay, so share a little. Got it.
Okay, let's talk about something important.
What's that?
Body language.
Ah, yes.
Small talk is not just about words.
Right. How you say it matters too.
Eye contact, smiling, nodding.
These things say, I'm listening, I'm friendly.
Without any words at all.
I remember my first week in a new city.
Oh yeah? What happened?
I was trying to make friends at a language class, and I was so nervous. I kept looking at my notebook, not at people.
Hmm.
And after class, no one talked to me. I thought, nobody likes me.
Oh, Anna.
But then a teacher told me something. She said, Anna, you look like you want to leave. Try looking up. Try smiling.
That's good advice.
The next week, I tried it. I looked at people, I smiled, and 3 people came to talk to me.
Wow, just from that?
Just from that.
Body language is so powerful.
A smile is the easiest conversation starter, and it works in every language.
That's a beautiful thing to remember.
I think about it a lot now.
Hey, can I say something I really believe?
Of course.
People don't remember what you say perfectly, but they remember how you made them feel.
That's true.
If you're warm and friendly, people want to talk to you again.
Even if your English isn't perfect.
Especially then, because you're trying.
And trying is very brave.
I think so too.
Hey, warm and friendly, that's a good phrase. It means you're kind and easy to be with.
Right. Not cold, not scary. Warm, like a good cup of coffee.
We always come back to coffee.
Always.
Okay, before we finish, a quick summary.
Yes, let's go.
Number 1, start simple. Hi, and one small question.
Number 2, listen and build on what they say.
Number 3, use safe topics. Weather, food, work, hobbies.
Number 4, smile and make eye contact.
Number 5, it's okay to be nervous.
Everyone is nervous sometimes.
Even Leo.
Yes, even me.
And number 6,
Just try, that's all. One hi can change everything.
one small hi can start a big friendship.
I love that.
Me too.
Hey, if this episode helped you today, drop a like for us, okay?
It means a lot. It really does.
And follow Leo and Anna English for more.
We have new episodes every week,
Easy English, real conversations.
just like this one.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.